Mosquito Island. How many bites?
I think we have, so far after 3 nights of shoot, we have nearly 400 each.
Nights are bad, but we have some tricks. The sunsets on Mosquito Island are incredible. Everything is so beautiful, and we are the only ones to witness the sunset, because during the golden hour the mosquitoes come out and they try to eat everything out of you. So everyone is going inside and we're left there because this is what we do. This is vacation? Probably, I don't know. But it's some of the most challenging conditions we've ever had, especially that it's constant night after night.
Yeah.
Going back in the mosquito cloud. Okay, that's too much talking, so let's move on to the subject of the night. This is a video we should have done years ago, how to do perfect circles with tube light painting. Intro.
Circle is among the first shapes we ever did with a tube, and to this day it is still one of our favorite shapes to do. We've been asked many times how to create a perfect circle, so we finally decided to create a short video about how we do it. There are a few key elements to think about, and one of them is how you hold the tube. Placing his body sideways behind me so he's hiding from the camera, Eric holds the tube, extending his arm to have a movement of rotation that is constant. Then, Eric fixes a point in my back. That will be the center of the circle. When he rotates the tube, he makes sure his hand stays at the same height, which is the center of the circle. At the end of the rotation, he often opens his end to complete the circle without having to bend his elbow or move his arm position. He starts and finishes the movement behind one of my legs to avoid any overlap. Another thing to consider is the angle of your circle in relation to the camera. You want to make sure that the plane on which you create your shape is parallel to the plane of the camera. Otherwise, your shape will look distorted and you might be visible. Once you understand how to create circle, there are many other options of shapes you can create. And that's going to be the subject for another upcoming video.